That path took some twists and curves, and I ultimately did not become a pilot, but went into medicine. And yet, still found a path through medicine where I could serve human spaceflight as a flight surgeon at NASA, supporting our crews training for International Space Station missions. But I still had that dream that perhaps I would get to do that job someday. It was absolutely amazing to get the call that I had been selected into the astronaut office. And it felt a little bit like a culmination of the hard work that I had invested in getting to that point. What an amazing, really dream come true for me. In 2013, I was assigned to my first mission and spent 141 days living and working on the International Space Station. That truly was the realization of that lifelong dream. Of all of those things in that moment and in that mission were really, really special. It was an absolute honor to get selected for the Crew 4 mission. And on top of that, to have the opportunity to command. Getting to fly with this amazing crew, with Farmer and Samantha and Wadi, they are incredible astronauts, and I feel very grateful to be on a team with them. But we're one small part of a larger team that spans the nation and the world. We truly get to leverage the best and brightest as we chase somewhat impossible goals. And so as we push forward to the moon, as we push to Mars, we are presenting ourselves with almost insurmountable challenges. By presenting ourselves with those challenges, we become better as a community, as a country, and as a species.
Opportunity opened up of actually joining the Italian Air Force as a pilot. That had not been possible for me straight out of high school because back then the Italian military did not admit women. The very broad educational and training background that I had when I became an astronaut really helped me a lot. And the astronaut job is really very much about this broad spectrum of things that you have to master rather than being a specialist that has mastered very, very well for a long time this one thing. And so I was very grateful in hindsight. In 2014, I had the opportunity of flying to space for the first time, and I spent 200 days on the International Space Station. Getting to space station, opening the hatch, hugging our friends who were waiting for us there, getting used to that sensation of floating, that first look out of the cupola, that first, full view of a sunrise.